Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Platform Analytics and Insights Orientation. My name is Michelle Dooley, and I am the product manager for the team who will be walking you through this session today. Our agenda, we will go over the team. We will talk about our team mission. We will talk about services we provide, the customer support processes, our various communication channels, and then additional resources. So meet the team. Again, Michelle Dooley, product manager. In addition to myself, we have Philip Dorsey, who is our data engineer, Christine Young, who is our data analyst, and an open rec that we just filled for a Google Analytics specialist. So what is our mission? Our mission is to empower veteran-facing service teams to make more data-informed decisions for better veteran outcomes. So what does that mean? We are here to support you. We are here to support the veteran-facing teams so that we can give you all of the information, provide insights, help make decisions, provide recommendations based off of the data to help make the best experience for our veterans on the VA.gov platform. So, analytics services and customer support. What are the services that we provide? So we provide access to data and tools. We provide access to our Google Analytics implementation. We provide access to Domo, which is our business intelligence tool. And then we provide access as needed to BigQuery, which is our data warehouse. In addition to providing access to tools, we build dashboards to support VFS teams. We have a handful of standardized out-of-the-box dashboards that I will show here in a minute. And then we also do custom dashboarding as needed for products and services that do not qualify or fall within the standardized product offering. We also implement Google Analytics tagging and interaction tracking through Google Tag Manager, which I will talk about more here in a moment as well. And then we just provide general analytics support, answering questions. We do a lot of this during our office hours, but then we also have other support channels that, again, I will talk to here in a moment. So data sources and tools. We have a variety of data sources. I've got three of the largest, most commonly used ones listed here. Analytics 360, which was soon to be GA4, as Google is migrating from their 360 product to the new GA4 product, for those of you who may have be aware of that. Medallia, which is our customer service data, or not customer service, it is our customer satisfaction data that is collected on VA.gov. And then we have Salesforce data that is contact center data. We bring each of those pieces of information or those various data sets into BigQuery. We perform some ETLs, bring the data together, and then bring that into Domo for our dashboards. There's a couple different ways that you can see your data. You can go directly into Google Analytics and look at the standard out of the box or create custom dashboards within Google Analytics reports. There's an example of one on the top right. Or if you are on one of the dashboards, you can also get a lot of the information plus more within the Domo dashboards. So as I mentioned, we have three different out-of-the-box standardized dashboards. We've got a category for forms where you can see information about the various forms products, and I will click through that really quickly here. So takes a minute to load, but you will see you have links here within to see the data dictionary and how-to guide to how to use this. You simply click on the drop-down to find your form product, and then you will see information about that, information about submissions and users, funnel completions, and a lot of information about your various form steps. In addition, we have a similar type of dashboard for search that will tell different things about different search terms, search refinement, search rates, or people clicking through, and then content, which is in more general page views, users that are logging in, and just a more general information about the content at large on VA.gov. In addition to the standardized dashboards, we also do custom dashboards. So for products and services that do not fall within the out-of-box standardized forms, for example, we can create custom dashboards for you. So there's an example of one for the VA Notify team that we've created that provides a lot of information about the various emails and texts and campaigns that they are running. And the another example is our chatbot, where we provide information about the chatbot, who is going to the chatbot, who's clicking through to the chatbot, are they getting what they need when they go to the chatbot. So how do you know if you fall within the standardized or custom bucket? We have also created a dashboard for that. So you would simply go to the eligibility dashboard, find your form product to see if you are already on it or if you are not. If you are not, you would simply submit a request to get your form product added to that dashboard. If you do not see your product over here, you may see it over here under the edge cases. That's how you would know that you would be in the custom implementation dashboard category. So we have that information from you. And then once you determine that, you would submit the appropriate request ticket. Google Tag Manager. So Google Tag Manager is the tag management system used to control what information is tracked and sent to Google Analytics reporting. So it is implemented through JavaScript snippet, and it is on all of the VA.gov pages. So all of the design system web components have Google Analytics tracking already configured and set up within them. So if you are using any of those, there is no need for you to submit a GTM request for additional tracking. If, however, you need to track something that you cannot get through the web components, that is when you would submit these requests. We would work with your front-end engineers to define those events, the triggers, the data layer events that you want to record as part of those, and then we would provide that data layer code to them. They would put it into the product, and then we would test and validate. So that's how that process would work. Communications and resources. So the first place that I recommend a lot of people to go is the platform website, where you will find the section here on analytics and insights. There is a lot of information there. You will find information about our dashboards, the different data dictionaries. You'll find information about Google Analytics. There's information about the metrics that are tracked and frequently asked questions. There's a lot of good stuff there. Information about various data sources. So just a really useful tool that I recommend everybody to go, not only for the analytics insights, but for all of the platform products. You can reach us through Slack, either through the VFS platform support channel, and you've got the bot over here, same as you would for other platform teams. If you are looking for us, you'd simply find our dropdown and let us know what you're looking for or what your support request is. If you do not think you're a support request and you just have a general question, or you just kind of want to ask somebody something because you're not sure which direction to go, you can also find us in the VFS Analytics Slack channel, and one of the team members will get back to you there and help guide you through the proper channels. We have office hours twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays Eastern time. It is a great time where people come to ask a lot of questions about how do I know if my event's being tracked, and how do I turn on tracking if it is not? How do I find my event in the Google Analytics reports? So a lot of good questions, and we get a lot of attendance. So highly recommend people to come to those as well if they have any questions and want to speak with us in person. Here are links to each of the tickets that we've talked about. So again, here's the request form for Google Analytics and Domo. There is the request form for the KPI dashboards, the GTM request as needed. And then last but not least, this link for the opt out of analytics, where we ask you to opt out so that we are not tracking our internal traffic in our production data, as obviously our behaviors are quite different than the veterans' experiences they flow through the products and services. Thank you all very much. I appreciate your time. Welcome to VA.gov, and I look forward to working with you soon.